Hi guys! It's just another Magic Monday, so you know what that means. We're gonna crack open a pack of Theros. Pretty cool picture of Elspeth on the front. So let's crack it open and see what we get. Oops. Just demolishing that pack there. Okay. So, for our first card, we have Nelia's Disciple, Lash of the Whip, Messenger Speed, God's Willing, Fellhide Minotaur, Shredding Winds, Baleful Eidolon, Traveling Philosopher, Two-Headed Cerebrus, Aqua's Form. Oh, that's kind of neat artwork on there. Glare of Heresy is our first uncommon. Destructive Revelry, Arena Athlete, and for our rare, we have Triad of Fates. And cool looking swamp and a satyr token. So that's it for that pack, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and have a great day. Bye.